How to transfer Sweatcoin money to Cash App. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily transfer your Sweatcoin money directly to Cash App. So all you have to do is first open up your Sweat wallet, and then from here you'll find your balance. So your balance will increase based on your physical activity, on how much you've walked in the day. So that will automatically start increasing your balance on Sweatcoin. So if you want to transfer your money to Cash App, all you have to do is find the option that says transfer from your home screen, or if you don't see it here, head over to portfolio. And then from here, just go ahead and tap on transfer. Then select your Sweatcoin. From here, all you have to do is enter your wallet address. So what you can do is enter wallet address from Bitcoin. You can easily transfer it to your Bitcoin. Once you've pasted the wallet address here, all you need to do is simply go ahead and send the money to Bitcoin. And from Bitcoin, you can continue to Cash App. So you can just go ahead and transfer that money from Bitcoin and then after to Cash App. So that's how you basically transfer Sweatcoin money to Cash App. If this was helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.